Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2138, indicates an issue with the Accelerator Pedal Position, APP, sensor A and B, specifically an incorrect voltage correlation between these two sensors. The vehicle uses APP sensors to determine how far the accelerator pedal is pressed, sending this information to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, to regulate engine performance. When the DTC P2138 is triggered, it usually corresponds to an inconsistency detected between the signals from these sensors. The APP sensors are generally located near the accelerator pedal assembly, integrated within the pedal module. This fault can affect vehicle performance, as the PCM relies heavily on accurate throttle position information to optimize power delivery and emissions management. Consequently, proper troubleshooting is essential to either identify component failure or rectify wiring issues. The APP sensors A and B are critical components responsible for measuring the position of the accelerator pedal and conveying this data to the PCM. These sensors help optimize throttle response and engine performance by providing real-time feedback regarding how much the driver has pressed the accelerator. Located at the base of the accelerator pedal assembly, they send voltage signals corresponding to their position, which the PCM then interprets. If the voltage signals from these two sensors do not align closely, the P2138 code is triggered, indicating a problem that may involve either the sensors themselves or related wiring. Ensuring that these sensors function properly is vital for smooth acceleration and overall vehicle operation. The PCM uses this information to ensure efficient fuel economy and compliance with emission standards. The most common cause of the DTC P2138 can frequently be attributed to a faulty APP sensor, either sensor A or B, indicating a possible internal failure or incorrect voltage output. Wiring issues, such as shorts or damaged connections between the APP sensors and the PCM, can also contribute to this problem, impacting the signal integrity that is crucial for proper sensor performance. Occasionally, a malfunctioning PCM may misinterpret the outputs from the APP sensors, leading to erroneous DTC generation. Environmental factors, such as moisture or corrosion, can affect wiring connections, causing intermittent faults. It's imperative to examine each possible cause thoroughly to pinpoint the issue accurately and ensure the vehicle operates within defined specifications. Symptoms that accompany the DTC P2138 include a triggering of the check engine light, alerting the driver to a detected issue with the vehicle. Additionally, drivers may experience an unresponsive throttle. This occurs when the vehicle fails to accelerate as expected due to erroneous sensor readings. Furthermore, erratic acceleration can happen, leading to inconsistent engine performance, which poses safety concerns while driving. These symptoms can often lead to concerns surrounding vehicle reliability and driver confidence, thus necessitating immediate diagnostic verification and repairs. It is critical to pay attention to these warnings, as neglecting to address the underlying issue may result in further complications or deterioration of the vehicle's performance. In the first troubleshooting step for DTC P2138, it is essential to turn the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the electrical systems and sensors to become active for diagnosis. Next, clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, a specialized tool that allows technicians to communicate with the vehicle's onboard systems. After clearing the code, press the accelerator pedal down to the floor fully to ensure that the APP sensors can send their maximum signal output. After performing this action, reassess whether the P2138 DTC is still indicated as either pending or confirmed. If the DTC reappears, further diagnostic steps are required to isolate the problem. However, if the DTC does not appear, it may imply an intermittent issue or temporary fault that warrants further inspection of the relevant connections and terminals. Moving on to the second troubleshooting step, technicians must determine the possible failure area by checking the voltage signals of APP sensor A and APP sensor B using the HDS. It is crucial to observe the parameters indicated on the tool, particularly focusing on the voltage readings from both sensors. If the voltage values for both APP sensors match precisely, the issue may lie elsewhere in the system. Conversely, if the voltages differ significantly, it indicates a problem with the accelerator pedal module itself, suggesting that one or both sensors are malfunctioning and need replacement. This step is vital in isolating the failure area, leading to an effective resolution. Following accurate voltage comparisons can often shortcut the diagnostic process and pinpoint the exact component needing attention. In the third step of troubleshooting for DTC P2138, first, turn the vehicle to the off or lock mode, which ensures that all electronic systems are powered down. Next, utilize the HDS to jump the SCS, Service Clear Signal line. This action suspends any stored fault codes, allowing for more accurate testing and isolation of potential faults. After performing this step, disconnect the PCM connector A, which consists of 50 pins. To access specific test points for continuity testing, with the PCM connector now disconnected, check for continuity between test points number 32 and number 34. This continuity test will help confirm whether there is an internal issue with the PCM or related circuitry that requires attention. If continuity is present, it indicates that the internal functions of the PCM are intact, and you may proceed with further diagnosis. If not, checking for authorized service information and possibly substituting a known good PCM may be necessary. In the final troubleshooting step for DTC P2138, begin by disconnecting the APP sensor 6P connector. This step isolates the sensor from the system, allowing for a focused examination of its connection. The next action is to check for continuity between the specified test points, again using the PCM connector A 50P while it remains disconnected. Verify the continuity between terminals number 32 and number 34 of the PCM connector, focusing on the wires that transmit signals corresponding to the voltage outputs from the APP sensors. If continuity exists, it indicates that a short condition exists between the APS1 wire to the APS2 wire, suggesting the necessity for repair in this line. If no continuity is detected, the wiring is intact and does not require intervention, meaning that attention should shift to replacing the accelerator pedal module itself. Conducting this thorough check helps ensure reliable operation by ensuring the integrity of the entire accelerator position sensing system. After completing the necessary repairs related to DTC P2138, it's crucial to conduct a final verification procedure to confirm that the issue has been resolved effectively. Begin with a test drive of the vehicle under varying conditions to evaluate its throttle responsiveness and overall performance. During this drive, ensure that any previous symptoms, such as unresponsive acceleration or check engine lights, do not manifest again. After completing the test drive, perform a scan using the HDS to verify that no DTCs are currently present in the system. This confirmation is essential to ensure that no residual fault codes exist, which could indicate underlying issues. Should any anomalies arise during either the driving test or subsequent diagnostics, additional investigation may be warranted to ensure a comprehensive repair outcome. A successful verification confirms that the repairs are effective and the vehicle is safe and reliable. Preventive maintenance is key in avoiding recurrence of issues like DTC P2138 related to the APP sensors and wiring. Regular inspections of the wiring associated with the APP sensor should be performed during routine service checks to identify any signs of wear, corrosion, or physical damage that could lead to faults. Additionally, monitoring the performance of the APP sensors helps ensure they are sending accurate signals to the PCM over time. Using OEM, original equipment manufacturer parts, or high-quality replacements during any repairs enhances reliability and reduces the likelihood of future issues. Documenting maintenance activities can help track performance trends, encouraging proactive rather than reactive service practices. Emphasizing preventive maintenance actions not only sustains vehicle performance, but also prolongs the life of critical engine components. In summary, the DTC P2138 signifies a critical issue concerning the accelerator pedal position sensor voltage correlation, which requires immediate and thorough diagnostics. Timely identification and resolution of this fault can prevent further complications in vehicle performance and ensure safe driving conditions. Following a structured troubleshooting process allows technicians to narrow down the possible causes effectively, including examining APP sensors, wiring, and the PCM. It is also essential to emphasize the importance of preventive maintenance so that issues can be mitigated before they lead to significant problems. Adopting a proactive maintenance approach not only extends the life of critical vehicle components, but also contributes to overall driving pleasure and safety. Understanding and addressing DTC P2138 quickly and efficiently ensures that your Honda Accord remains a reliable road companion. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.